one thing that your instructors wanted you to um, be aware of is that this course has been designed um, in a certain way, but once you receive it, you are totally in charge of how do you want to deliver. And there's very many different ways, regardless of the tool that you use, on how you will go about this. In Canvas, for example, you will have the choice to open the modules one by one and do a teacher pays mode. You will have the option to have the course set up so that the students can pace themselves the way you did the course. So that part will be really up to you. And I'm just going to show you a little bit on how does it look like in Canvas, but you will have to find what works for you depending on the tool that you have. So, for example, in Canvas, you have each of these modules be a separate item, and each of the modules has the ability to be turned on or turned off, to be able to be accessed by the students or not. This green button means that the module is available for the students. Anything with the green button means that it's on. If I click on it, I turn it off or unpublish it. Uh, if I was doing teacher led and I wanted to have total control over the pace of the course, I could just turn everything off and turn it on as I'm moving through the course. If I want to have the students have some independence as to how they move through the course, I can take advantage of the capabilities of the tool. For example, in this case, if I click on edit for the module section, I get this menu. And in this menu, I get to pick what are the things that need to be done before the students can see this module, and what are the things that the students have to do while they are in this module. So for example, I can say before this module you have to read the introduction, so I want you to go and pick module 0. You have to complete module 0 before you can do the first module. If I don't have to add it. And while they are in module 1, what does it mean to be done in each of the assignments? So for example, if I'm looking at the first assignment and it says assignment 1 module, the art of decision making. Okay, so what is it, does it mean that the student is done here? And I get these options. I can have the students view the item and with that they're done, or I can have them mark themselves as done. When you finish, mark yourself done. Or they have to submit something, or if there is a score to be achieved, what is the minimum score that they need to achieve in order to consider it done. So these are some of the options, and you can even say if the student has to do this in order or not. Of course, the more restrictions that you add, the more tweaking that you probably will have to do to accommodate to each individual student's need. So anyway, it's just something to consider. Of course, this is not an in-depth tutorial. This is only a tutorial to get you started with the materials that you have been given. If you need a more in-depth help with the tool, Canvas offers a really great resource section, and you can go into the Canvas guides, or you can go to the show welcome tour, which will guide you through all the basics. Or you can go to the community where they have a lot of information and they will answer a lot of questions.